Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off from the list. When the device turns off, you can then hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. Now when you see INFINIX logo show up, you can let go of the power button. The device will probably turn off automatically, or not. If you let go of the power button quick enough, it shouldn't. If the INFINIX logo disappears almost like right away before you let go of the power button, don't worry, still let go of it, but keep holding volume up. This in turn will boot you into this screen right over here. So to get past this, we're going to hold power button, press volume up, and it takes us to the recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons, you want to select enter Fastboot mode. Once it's selected, you can confirm it with the power button. And as you can see, this takes me to the dedicated Fastboot mode. And here again, we have a couple options like reboot system now, recovery mode, bootloader, and power off. Recovery mode is the previous screen that we were on. Reboot system now takes us back to Android, and reboot to bootloader will, I presume, take us to Fastboot mode, just one without any kind of menu like this one. So just to test it out, I'm going to select it. And yeah, you can see it is also Fastboot mode. Anyway, to leave this one, I'm just gonna hold the power button till the screen turns off. There we go. And as you can see, the device will boot up on its own. And there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.